In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store billing information. If you've been having issues with your billing info on the App Store, don't worry. We've got a simple guide to help you sort that out. Whether you're trying to download a new app or update your existing ones, correct billing information is crucial. Let's dive in and fix that together. First, you'll need to go into your device settings. It's where we can make the necessary changes to rectify your billing information. So, find the settings icon on your device's home screen and give it a tap. Once you're in the settings, look towards the top of the screen and you'll see something familiar. It's your Apple ID, which should display your name. Go ahead and tap on your Apple ID. This action will lead us into the menu where we can sort your payment and shipping details. As you enter your Apple ID section, you'll see a variety of options. Here you want to tap on the option labeled Payment and Shipping. This is the area where all your billing data is stored. Occasionally the system may ask you to sign in again with your Apple ID credentials to verify your identity. Don't worry, this is just a security measure to ensure that it's really you making these changes. If you're prompted, simply enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're in, take a close look at your payment methods and billing address. This is crucial as even a small typo could disrupt your transactions. Ensure that your card number, expiration date, CVV code and billing address are accurate. These details must match with what's on file with your bank or card issuer to avoid any hitches. If you realize that some details need updating, there's an easy fix. Just tap on the relevant payment method you'd like to update, then follow the on-screen prompts to edit your details. It's that simple. For those who might need to add a new payment option, nor is there a need to fret. Just look for the option to add payment method and fill in the necessary information. Sometimes older or invalid payment methods might linger in the system, causing issues during transactions. It's a good idea to ensure these are cleaned up. You can easily remove any outdated or invalid payment methods by selecting them and opting for removal. Keeping your payment methods current and correct will help in ensuring seamless transactions on the App Store. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, you can simply tap on Done or exit the menu. Rest assured your changes are automatically saved, so there's nothing extra you need to worry about. And that's it, you're all set. With your billing information up to date, you're now ready to return to the App Store, snag the latest apps, or enjoy updating your favorites without any hassle. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been able to resolve your App Store billing issues.